Where does the oil go in? How does the oil come out? Today we're going to go over how to service your 9-inch rear end. Hi, I'm John Henson, and today I want to go over how do we get oil in your rear end, how do we get oil out of your rear end. So if you've got a brand new rear end and we need to fill it with oil for the first time, the best place to do that is going to be on the fill hole on the side of the third member. It's a pipe thread plug that can be removed, and a standard 9-inch housing is going to take 3 quarts. And where that's going to put you is basically right below that fill hole. The goal here is you may need to get it just to the point where it gets a little bit of oil down the tube so it can bathe the bearing if the bearing requires it, which most of our standard Timken Set 20 bearings do. Now, if you happen to have a larger housing like an F9 or a fabricated style 9-inch, it's going to require more oil. For a full list on oil capacities, you can click the link below. When it comes time for service and you need to get oil out of the rear end, there's usually a drain plug right on the bottom of the housing. And you can completely let the gear oil drain out of the hole, then put your pipe thread plug back in, and then go through the fill process. If there isn't a drain plug on the bottom of the housing, the third member will need to be removed, and all the oil would need to drain out of the front of it. And for putting it back together, we actually sell a service kit, which is going to come with the 3 quarts of oil, new nuts and washers, and a new gasket. If you have any questions regarding how much oil you may need or how to service your rear end, feel free to give us a call, send us an email, or leave a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe here. For more tech videos, click here. And for more Currie content, click here. Thanks for watching, guys.